Look, I need one of this style.
Oh, you put a, oh.
We're looking good so far. With
Clearly, it at least pushed that in pretty far. If it.
Oh, there was about.
what was your
How
reaction?
fast are you going?
Whoa! You must have been booking. How fast do you think you were going?
It wasn't as funny as I thought. No.
I was hoping like the whole bumper would go on.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to put them on today because I need hub-centric rings.
Oops, dude.
I'm gonna hope that. because
So
they're
what are you
important
doing
stuff-
here?
No, we can put them on. I just don't know if I'm gonna drive down the road and it's gonna.
These wheels are gonna look ugly on here.
I like the ones you have on now better.
What, the color or the style?
Well, both.
What do you mean
Why do
these?
you have the gay wheels?
Why you gotta be so mean?
Why are they gay? Well, no, they have rainbow. Oh my god.
Well, now it's silver on silver.
Yeah, no.
Those are ugly.
What, the color?
No,
Everything.
I like the other one.
The whole package is
No, I like the other one. No,
You got ripped off.
That
are
is
mean.
no, I'm just being
Sam,
honest.
I do not like the
other one better.
wheels.
I like the other
Huh?
one better.
I do not like.
My opinion.
Yeah, I don't like them.
The color or what?
Everything.
Well, they're gonna be repainted.
It's loaded.
You guys are mean.
No, I just don't. I just don't like them. I saw them and he was like, "That's it."
That's been there.
James, you know what I say when I see that? You know what I say when I say that? I say, would you look at that? I'd say, do you look at that?
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Would you just look at it?
Just say Sam.
Guys, we're doing the whole walk around.
Oh, you got me walking around the whole car now.
No, or just would you just look at it? Just look at it.
Sam, you know what I say about this? Sam, what I say about this? Would you look at it?
Sam's got a
Would you look at it?
dually. Sam's got a dually.
Yeah, he does. See a car like this?
Would
I
you
say,
look
would you
at
just
it?
look at it?
Would you just look at it?
Right. Look at it. Look at it.
Now it's a 6-wheeler.
Oh,
Sam, you gotta pop it.
it's actually a 5-wheeler.
Oh yeah.
But it would look better.
We
with
need
another
two of
wheel
the
back
same
there.
of the same one.
Oh yes.
Oh, it's like a half track.
It looks like the car from Monsters Inc.
Oh yeah, put it into 6-wheel and ran them down.
I dropped the first wave with semi-auto fire, but they just kept coming. Sheer luck, most of them were in front of the truck, so I just popped it in the 6-wheel and ran them down.
No, let's put the other one up there and then put it as the thumbnail. People go, oh, whoa, 6-wheel Mazda.
No, I don't think they will.
You know, the other option is you can put some wild body kit parts on this bumper now. We can put like rear canards
Or
a huge diffuser.
take it off and put the wing bolted onto the chassis.
Oh yeah.
Since the whole car is obviously ruined now, completely Mad Maxed it out. Put spikes out the front, fire exhaust out the top, and I'll sit on the top and play the guitar. The flaming.
Oh, fire exhaust.
I've got another surprise for you. Fire rocks.
Okay, it's cold.
I know. I'm getting
Okay,
frozen
can somebody
here.
move something so we can put
Well,
the stupid wheels on?
I'm not.
Where are you going, then?
He's moving something.
I mentioned another vehicle. Can you not? You guys
Hey Chris.
yeah. Oh, dodge the wheel.
You took half of them out.
Guys, I gotta watch the game. I'm leaving.
My baby.
Your baby, how much did you pay for those, Sam?
The wheels or the tires?
Well, I don't know. The whole package bundle.
All
Ugly.
together they were 700.
Oh, ugly tires.
Ugly tires?
Are we gonna do a sig burnout to destroy the other tires?
I thought you didn't want to change them today.
What do you mean?
You just said that. You said, I don't know if I want to change them today. And then Shane said, well, why'd you even come over?
No.
Didn't he
I
say
said I
that?
don't know if we can change them. We can put them on the car. The problem is I need hub-centric rings because the hub on those wheels are bigger than the hub on that wheel. And so I'm assuming because they're acorn style lug seat things, it'll center it enough for me to not go down the road. And now you're just gonna record and I just sound like a big freaking nerd.
How you gonna get him off, nerd?
Nerd.
Yeah, I didn't get much out of that whole spiel.
Tip simple terms?
It's not going to fit perfect.
Thank you.
No.
I need to scoot the front seats forward in order order to do so.
Sam, you wrecked everything.
I guess you're gonna put these in all dirty.
Everything I own.
Thought you meant can we kill them?
But we didn't open it. We can
Oh,
open
them
it
with
when
the
you
gun.
When you can open it when you let James show you how it's done. Don't touch that door. You guys want to get up against the wall there? Stand back. Come on. Come on.
Oh, is this the pinky tape job you've done? Because it fell off when you
No, it didn't fall off. I wrecked it.
Oh, it's the air chop. What are you doing? What? Is it that?
Hey, let's get some wheels on here.
I want a low pro one, man.
Jack me up, Colin.
Jack you up, Scotty.
What's wrong with your thinking?
That's probably not the best pose.
And he gives me one of those half Hitler salutes, you know, down low, very cool.
Right.
What's wrong with these?
Nothing. You gotta.
They don't.
No, just put it on there.
Sam, do you even know how? Do you even?
Sam, hold this.
It doesn't appear to fit.
Oh, it fits. We know it does. I had it under here the other day.
You want to move the compressor? It's kind of.
No. Sam, you broke it.
No, I did not.
Just jam it in there.
That's not how that works.
Oh yeah, that fixed it.
Problem solving it.
Problem solving it. Initiation launch sequence.
Hey guys. Hey, we're just modifying the cars.
It's like Rod.
For the total transformation.
So, we are putting the uglier wheels on.
The uglier.
We're putting the, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying usually these make it easier with more leverage.
I think it's a little busted.
Honestly. Why is it doing that?
I think it's broken. Oh.
You want me to move the handle?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Right here.
This is why I'm saying.
I was gonna say that.
Put your back into it. Come on, put it back into it. Push it like a boy. Come on.
These are ugly.
I don't. There's not a lot of
Well, you can kiss the compressor goodbye.
Kiss it goodbye.
Yeah, you want me to turn it on? Yeah, James, turn it on.
It is. Well, no, because then the pressure valve goes.
Yes, that's probably because it's venting when it reaches the set PSI.
Yeah.
No, it does it before it gets there. I think it's broken.
Whoa, get out of the way.
I turned it on.
That just doesn't sound right. Now it's locked up. Oh, just put some oil in there.
When was the last time you put oil in it?
Never.
How long have you had it?
Years. Ever since we got it, it's been fun. It's kind of been somewhat
That you do.
messed up, so we haven't used it very much.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That just doesn't seem as fun.
It's not.
Air power, air coolers are weird.
Oh, I'm almost here.
They're way better.
I do too.
It worked.
Very bold.
Oh.
You shnikes.
They're my racing slicks. I use these when I go for track days.
Have you ever had a track day?
No. This is gonna be interesting.
If all y'all didn't know, this is your Rhoda.
Oh, the road.
The Rhoda.
That's a 4-barrel caliber with drag slicked rotor.
Alright, quick, NASCAR style. You need to keep it spinning with the nut inside it and just jam it in there.
Well, this might be a problem.
Well, big problem. We'll take socket off and roll on.
Roll on?
You big boy, you learn how.
You guys couldn't, be helping me.
No, we could not.
No. The socket doesn't fit. Do you have smaller socket?
Oh, we need smaller socket. I guess you're just leaving your impact out here to be stolen and taken.
Oh, I forget you don't live in non-thief.
With wheels. So you might want to clean this up.
Yeah, you can help me.
You kind of really crushed the lawn over here.
I've crushed the lawn?
Yeah.
Have you seen your big truck?
Oh, but that's not that part. Would you cut that out?
Yes, now you're really just shoving the door like out. Oh, yes.
What was that?
Beep, 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 beep.
The fitment, though, is way better.
I mean, you can't deny they're kind of ugly.
No, I'm going to deny them. I like them.
Good job, good job.
Monster trucking.
Yeah, buddy.
Time to get some oils now. And what?
Oh man. I heard about your truck.
I pulled her in the shop last week. They just don't know what's going on with that son of a gun.
I heard about his truck.
You hear about this sort of thing, but you never think it's gonna happen to you.
Hey Sam.
Sam's just carrying on. Keep on keeping on.
What are you talking about?
Alright, Sam's on his way. Got his new wheels on. We just need to know what color, right Sam? So.
Yep. I don't know.
This is where it gets fuzzy. What do I say next?
Alright guys, take it easy and I'll see you in the next one.